Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to make a radar chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Okay, and first open Google Sheets and create new project, or open your old project and open project. Okay, open project and category and amount, and click on car and press shift your keyboard and click on this. Alright, select all category, select all amount, and left corner search insert, click on this and scroll down, click on chart. Okay, and the right corner open Windows chart editor and search chart type and click on this, scroll down and search other and click on this radar chart. Click on this and you create radar chart. Okay, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.